هذا من فضل ربي. Yes, هذا من فضل ربي. Okay, well, audience, now I'm in the teacher's room of lslah boarding school. Look at here, some teachers, and also there is a few students joining in. But more special today is there is a cooking class. Look at here, the product of cooking class is served from the table well by the student of lslah. Yes, very good. Yes, it's good. And I hope it will become starting point that lslah must be better and better in the future. lslah must be better and better in the future. Yes, and also on the screen is Mas Yuli's partner. Of course, I mean special partner, yeah, of Mas Juliswanto. Very good. Yes, basically, education is very important in our life. Yes, just the fundamental to build a new generation, to build a nation, and especially for a Muslim student is starting from education. Yes, look at here on the screen is the headmaster, yeah, Al Ustad Husnan. Okay, very good. Yes, with a good performance, a good morals, a good behavior, he can bring lslah to be most famous boarding school in Lumajang. Okay, very good. Together with his what is his crown prince, yeah, novel. Subhanallah. Yes, the expectation of the teachers and also some stars that are joined in lslah is how the student to be brighter and brighter in what is his future side in the future time, and it can bring brighter life today in the world and also brighter life the next in the judgment day, and inshallah we will be together in paradise of Allah. Subhanallah. Yes, look at here. Subhanallah. Yes, even the activity is very relaxed, but the product is in a high quality. Look at here. With a good and high characteristic of the teacher, they can teach the student what is this happily, joyfully. Very good. Subhanallah. Allahumma arhamna bil Quran. Allahumma arhamna bil Quran. Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And see you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.